Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my lip liner collection slash declutter. I'm going to start with the ones that I'm decluttering because I started the opposite with my eyeliners, and you probably want to see what I'm getting rid of first. So the ones that I'm getting rid of, I've kept in this little guy. I'm not going to swatch these at all because some of them, they're really hard, and that's the reason why I'm getting rid of them. Or there's gross. The one looked pretty gross, although now it doesn't look gross. That's weird. Okay, so this first one was the Max Factor Vivid Impact Lip Liner in Rose Rouge, and it was like, had this white cast over it, but now that's completely gone, which is weird. But that was the first one. I'm just going to get rid of it because of that, but that's weird. Then I have 3 of these mini Tarte liners, and they're just super hard. I tried to swatch them on my lips, all the rest of them, not that one. All the rest of them, I tried to swatch them on my lips, and I was like, nope, it's too much. So we have Rage. We have, what is this? Latergram. Then we have Queen, so those 3 are being decluttered. Then the Laretsi Cosmetics, this is new. Like, this came in a box in 2019 sometime. Bare, it's hard. I can't. Same thing with this Rodial XXL lip liner in the shade Nude. This came not too long ago too. Like, I know these are pretty new. This one I purchased last year, so I'm not as mad about it. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cans. That one I will actually... Oh no, this is the one that had the weird stuff over it. Oh. Okay. Why did I think this one did? No, this one was hard, sorry. One of them I knew was gross. Okay, I forgot to show you this. So that was what the Laretsi looked like. This is what, this one broke off. Like, that's how bad it was. Oh, that's right. It broke off and it won't progress, even though it's a plastic one. So, Rodeo. Wouldn't buy it. This one, it came in Alexandria Ryan's box that was curated for Ricky's NYC, which was really sad that she did, and it wasn't that good. I think that's what this came from. Or it came from the Carly Bible. I don't remember. Or Nikki Tutorials. That's the one I'm thinking of. I think this might have come in Allure too. One or the other. This is a lip liner by Contour Cosmetics, and it's hard as a rock. It's a pretty color and all, but yeah. So we are decluttering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lip liners. And my goal is to not let any more lip liners go to waste. So when I get them, I'm going to pass them along, just like I did with the ones that I got in my Ipsy. And my goal is also to actually use what I have in this bag. So we're going to just jump in. I'm going to show you, I'll swatch them really fast and we'll move on. This first one is the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner. This lip liner is so good that the name had to be this long. It's a long name. And it is in the shade Bed Roses. It's really pretty. It is really easy to glide on. Then we have the Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. This is, I don't know what shade it is. It is a red shade. Ooh, that's really pretty though. It's like a bricky kind of red. From Duche, this is the Lip Definer Pencil and Vela. I have decided I don't like the pencil-y ones quite as much. It was not as smooth, but it's still okay. Elizabeth Arden Natural Lip Pencil. The shape is natural. There it is. The Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in 714, which is the area code for Gwen Stefani's childhood home. It was part of her collection originally. This one I'm not going to swatch because it would prove no purpose. This is the same one, Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the shade Ozone. It is a clear lip liner, so you can use it with any color. From Stila, this is the Longwear Lip Liner in Delightful. Some of these I did sharpen to make sure that they still worked. Even the ones that are decluttered, I did the same with. Then we have from the actual collection with Gwen Stefani. This is the shade Wonderland, which of course serves two purposes, because not only do I love Gwen Stefani, but I love Alice in Wonderland. So one of my favorite shades just for that. Then we have the Jaunt Blue Lip Liner in the shade Spice. Some of these are really browny, but I think I could probably make them work. Then we have the Academy of Color Lip Liner. It says Cupid's Kiss, okay. It is really pale. It does not show up nearly as well as the other ones. Huda Beauty, I love these. This is Trophy Wife. These are probably the best lip liners there are. Then we have the NYX lip liner in Burgundy. This one is just the regular lip liner. No fancy name for this one. There it is. Elizabeth Arden Natural. I have two of these. So we will pass along one of these. Put that in my declutter video, which I'm filming next week. Then we have the double-ended Ulta Beauty lip liner in Rose. That's the first side. And then the other side is called Flesh. And I can see why. So Rose and Flesh. Then we have one of these mini Tarte ones. This is the shade Vibes. Kind of a purpley color. Mary Kay lip liner in Perfect Pink. It's a really good formula too. That went on really smooth. A big Tarte one. This is in the shade Squad. It's a little easier to use because it's not quite as small. Then we have Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. It's a multi-use pencil, but since it's so red, I'm using it for a lip liner instead of an eyeliner because I don't see red liner going well. Then we have the Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. This is another one. This is more of a pinky color. Oh, that's so pretty too. Oh, really pretty. Mary Kay Double Wear Stay in Place lip liner in the shade Mauve. Ooh, that one's pretty too. See, they're so pretty. I just need to start using them. Then we have a lip primer. It's a color enhancing lip primer from Ulta. This is actually something I want to look up and figure out how to use it, what I'm supposed to do with it. Then we have another lip definer, Line and Define lip primer, base contour by Bite Beauty. It's kind of a plain lip barrier. Stila Longwear lip liner in the shade Devoted. Right there. Then we have Tattoo Junkie. I have no idea what the shade is. It probably matched the liquid lipstick that I decluttered. Huda lip contour in Bombshell. Oh, that's a nice plain color. Maybelline Moisture Whip lip liner in the shade Wine. Oh man, I'm just liking all of the shades here. Grande Stay Put lip liner. This is a clear lip liner. So let's go on over there because don't need to swatch a clear one. Illamasqua coloring pencil in the shade Lust. So I just put two of these in my giveaway pile because they came in my Ipsy Plus, but there is what the formula, that was a good formula actually. Bella Pierre Gel Lip Liner in the shade Truly Red. I'm not as big of a fan of this one. It's a little sticky, harder to put on. Then we have from Gwen Stefani and Urban Decay, this is Firebird, which I really love too because Firebird is an amazing ballet, so I always think of the ballet when I grab that one out. Another Huda Beauty in Icon. Ooh, that's such a pretty color too. Then we have the Real Her Expert Advice Lip Liner in I Am Unique. It's actually kind of a cool color. Everlasting Lip Liner by Kat Von D. This is in the shade Lolita. This came in the Lure last year. I have not used it, so probably should. A Tarte lip liner in the shade Thirsty. Now when these work, they're really good. They're really smooth and creamy. This one is kind of crazy. This is the Buxom Plump Line lip liner. It has a little brush on the other end. You can see it's interesting, but it's a really thick pencil. This is in the shade Hush Hush. Now I have that song stuck in my head. Then we have a Sephora retractable lip liner, waterproof, in the shade Raspberry. Ooh, that's pretty. Then this is a Tarte, the Lip Architect. Oh, I just realized it's wider. I didn't realize that it got bigger. This is a lipstick and liner in the shade Delightful. And I kind of was counting them both as a lip liner because otherwise it's just kind of a pain to figure out where to store it. That is what it looks like. We are almost done. Huda and Muse. Probably my favorite of all of the Huda colors. And I know I have another one of that. I don't know where it is. Two more Hudas. We have Trendsetter, which is a little bit more browny. And then we have Vixen. That one's pretty too. Very dark shade. We have another Elizabeth Arden. This one is in the shade Bear. I'm glad it's not natural because that would be a lot of the same one right there. This is a Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in Nothing But Nude, which is a very nude shade right there. And then our last one is Tarte in the shade Meme. We're going to put it over here on this side because it would be a little easier to show. So that is all of the lip liners that I have that I am keeping, the ones that I'm decluttering. There is one that I will pass along, put it in my little declutter so you'll see it in an upcoming video. Do you have any tricks or tips for making yourself use lip liner? I always think of it as an afterthought, like I've already put my lipstick on and then I'm like, oh, I probably should have done lip liner because it's not something that I think about. So do you have any tips or tricks to kind of put it in the forefront of my mind? Let me know down below. Also, what is your favorite lip liner formula? Do you use lip liner? Do you not use lip liner? I would love to know that as well. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.